Could one cheetah outpace a car? In the cool morning light of the savannah, a single streak of muscle and focus rewrote our ideas about speed. This is the story of the fastest cheetah ever recorded, a chapter in nature that blends biology, behavior, and the fragile art of survival. Scene setting. The cheetah is built for velocity, long limbs, flexible spine, and semi-retractable claws that bite into the earth. Its heart is enormous relative to body size, lungs expansive, and muscles tuned for explosive power. The habitat matters: open grasslands with short grasses, scattered termite mounds that give vantage points, and long sight lines where prey can be spotted from afar.
Observation. On that fateful day, researchers recorded a sustained burst that stunned every scientist present. With a GPS collar and high-speed video, the animal accelerated from a cautious walk to full stride in seconds. The numbers tell a story: a top recorded speed, precise timing, and acceleration measurements that challenged existing models. Insight. Why could this individual achieve such velocity? Part of the answer is anatomy, a perfected combination of limb length, muscle fiber composition, and skeletal flexibility. But a twist arrives in behavior and environment: a motivated chase, an ideal surface, a nearby wind pattern, and the psychological state of hunger and intent.
The scene becomes almost cinematic. Muscles ripple, eyes lock, tail acts as a rudder, and paws slap the earth with rhythmic force. Each footfall transfers energy. Each stride stretches the body like a bowstring. The role of biomechanics cannot be overstated. The spine acts as a spring, amplifying stride length. The tail stabilizes yaw and pitch during rapid turns. Even the cheetah's asymmetrical claws improve grip, trading some stealth for traction. Scientists combined video analysis with anatomical models to estimate power output and metabolic cost. The findings surprised many. The cheetah operates near physiological limits, balancing speed and overheat risk.
Cooling strategies, like panting and brief recovery periods, become crucial. Reflection. Speed is not the whole story. The fastest recorded run is a momentary triumph, but survival is measured across seasons. High-speed chases are energetically expensive and risky. A failed hunt can mean a long fast. This cheetah's record invites questions about selection pressures. Does exceptional speed confer greater reproductive success, or does it come with hidden trade-offs? Conservation context. Cheetah populations face habitat loss, fragmentation, and human conflict. The environments that allow record runs are disappearing, replaced by fences, crops, and roads. Protecting corridors and open plains is essential, not only for cheetahs to live, but to express the behaviors that define them.
Scientific legacy. The recorded run improved our models of animal locomotion and informed captive management protocols. Field teams now use non-invasive sensors and collaborative telemetry to monitor health and behavior with minimal disturbance. There is also a technological story. High frame rate cameras, GPS collars, and machine learning helped parse seconds into meaningful data. Cultural resonance. Images of a sprinting cheetah inspire fascination and empathy. They connect people to wild systems and motivate conservation funding and policy. Yet we must avoid turning animals into spectacles detached from ecological reality. Ethical storytelling matters. What happened after the record? The cheetah continued its life, hunting, resting, raising young if fate allowed. The record run remained a highlight, a peak in a life shaped by chance and adaptation. Scientists followed up with long-term monitoring to see if extraordinary speed correlated with longevity or reproductive success. The answer was nuanced. Some fast individuals thrived, others fell victim to territory disputes or accidents. Takeaway: exceptional moments in nature teach us about limits, trade-offs, and the deep interplay of form and function. The fastest cheetah ever recorded is both a marvel of evolution and a reminder of fragility. As you imagine that sprint, the wind, the dust, the split-second physics, remember the broader scene, a planet of habitats under pressure, and species that depend on intact landscapes to do what they do best. In closing, speed captures attention, but stewardship secures futures. If you care about wild speed and wild spaces, support conservation groups, spread awareness, and stay curious about the natural world. If this moved you, follow for more deep wildlife stories and conservation updates.